Will Gala 10x, 20x, 40x, 50x? In today's video, guys, we're going to be discussing exactly that and how high can Gala go next bull market. So we know right here, Gala is currently sitting at 4.5 cents. We're going to be having a look at some of the Twitter feed. We're going to be having a look at some of the websites, what is happening. And of course, guys, we're going to be looking at the technical analysis and what is the next big move for Gala. So if you guys like this video, make sure you stick around till the end. And if you guys like these daily crypto content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's get straight to business. Starting off with CoinMarketCap, Gala is currently sitting and trading at 0.045. So 4.5 cents with the market cap of $315 million. Now, for those of you guys who are saying, oh, can it really 50x? Yes, guys. And the reason why that is because the market cap is still very, very low. Now, the volume is there. The people are trading Gala. 106 million is not peanuts. And right here, we're currently ranked 106 with over 500,000 people. 556,000 people on the watch list. So that is beyond insane in my opinion. I mean, I'm going to be accumulating this coin like crazy because if we have a look at the market cap and see how high this was at the peak of the bull market, was $5.1 billion. There's not one doubt in me that don't think that Gala can go back to these prices. And if we go back to the price, that was approximately 74 cents. Can Gala reach and go back to 74 cents region? Yes, I think it will. That's number one. And number two, not only will it reach that level, but it will exceed that level. We know what happens in altcoin market. We know how big the gaming industry. By the way, guys, the gaming industry is 3 to 4 times bigger than the movie industry. It is currently worth $130 billion. That is beyond insane. And people don't understand how high that is. So this is that on CoinMarketCap. And as you guys can see right here, this is the website. They're working on a new games. They have trending games. They already have games that are launching and are floating around. So that is obviously very, very, very good, right? Now, if we have a look right here, Gala Games, you could see that $2.2 billion, they had a reward distributed to players. So that is very, very good off 28 games, $2.2 billion. I don't think people understand how high that is. And of course, in the music, $15 million. And film, it is coming in 2020, or it came in 2022. So they are working on that. Gala is not just Gala Gaming anymore. It's Gala Films. They have Gala Music. There's a lot of good things happening. You could go ahead and check the latest news. And the good thing is that right here, they keep on working. Yesterday, they just made a launch, or not a launch, a sneak peek that the Miranda's game will be coming out, and that it's very, very good. I mean, look at that. They're constantly, active. Gala Games is always here. They're posting, they're tweeting. 421,000 followers on Twitter. Very, very good. It's looking very, very, very solid. But I do want to have a look at the technical analysis because at the end, guys, you're here to make money. I'm here to make money. At the end of the day, some of us are going to end up selling for money, right? Now, Gala, look how low it is. I mean, not low, but look, since the all-time high, we are down, guys, 94%. Now, we know that altcoins usually bleed between 70 to 80% in a bear market. And right now, Gala destroyed. It got destroyed and we're down 97%. So things are looking good if you're looking to accumulate. Yes, they're looking bad because whoever bought right here, unfortunately, it's, you never want to buy peaks. You always want to buy either consolidations like that or dips. So if you bought like here, and here, then you essentially dollar cost average. And right now, look at that. I mean, Gala is up well over 100%, 189%, almost 200% in the past few weeks. So things are looking very, very good. But of course, guys, we are overbought on the stochastic RSI. Now, what does the stochastic RSI tells us? Every time we are above the 220 on the stochastic RSI, not 200, the 20 on the stochastic RSI, we usually look for a potential downward trend or downward move. The same way right here, we were below 20. Sorry, I meant to say below above 80. But the same thing right here, we were below 20. Boom, we exploded. The same thing happened right here. We were below 20, boom, exploded. Okay, we had a few 100% gains. We had another one, well, not few hundred, but 150%. We had another one that was, I believe this was a 70% pump. And of course, this right here, we also had a pump that was off course corrections in a bear market, which wasn't that high, but not that it matters. 82% is still fantastic. So now where can we see Gala going? Well, it seems like right now we are reversing. We could see the blue going over the orange, and that's usually not a good sign. And of course, guys, Bitcoin is still in a bear market. And when Bitcoin's in a bear market, altcoins will usually bleed. But in the long term, guys, in the long term, can Gala 50x? Yes. I'm going to talk about how Gala and what the market cap will be when it 50x. Okay, so right here, you could see that we are currently in a downtrend, or not currently, we just broke that crazy downtrend right here. It was actually a month ago that we broke it, and now we're just going to the upside. But of course, guys, it seems like the party is over, and this was a nice little trend line right here. As you guys can see, the trend is your friend. We broke that trend line, that upwards trend. The big question is will Gala come back and retest this level right here? Because we know when we're trending towards the downside and we flip over that trend line before was a resistance, it essentially flips to support. So can we see something like that bottoming out right here end of February, before popping back and, you know, essentially starting the new bull market? Now I think that the Bitcoin will bottom out between, you know, April, June, May, around that time. Sorry, March, April, May, not June. I think it's going to bottom out around that time. No one can really tell when exactly will bottom out, but we're going to have to see what happens. So things are looking pretty good. We could see right here on the daily time frame that right here we were a little bit overbought. We had that nice little correction to the downside, pop back up, and then of course we had a you know, 5-6 days correction, which of course led to this dump. The second we got to below the 20 area, this is essentially when we essentially started the new uptrend. And of course, guys, we are essentially coming back down. So the question right here is, how high can we go? Are we going to explode? Are we going to pump? Because we know when we're below 20, we usually come back and explode. Now, another interesting thing is that Gala right now is currently sitting at a resistance. So we're not above it, we're not below it, we're currently sitting exactly at this support. Sorry, not resistance. I have all my words backwards today. But exactly, this is exactly what is happening. So what is the next big move for Gala? Well, it seems like after the SEC started banning proof of stake in the US for Kraken, and after they got fined and everything, that's when, of course, everything started dumping. But that doesn't mean the party is over unless Bitcoin crashes. In my opinion, I could see Gala have another swing to the upside before coming back down one more time and retesting. And of course, guys, this pattern is obviously not the best pattern. Gala seems like it's making a nice little bear flag or bear pennant, of course, on the 1 hour time frame. So we're gonna have to see where this pattern goes, but a breakout is coming, is imminent. But I do want to say, guys, that this coin could 50x with the market cap sitting at $315 million. If you 50x that, the market cap would be $15 billion. Now, for a gaming company or a gaming industry that's worth over 130 billion, with only 4% or less than 5% of the world that has discovered cryptocurrency, and right now we're in a bear market, I don't doubt it one bit seeing Gala go to $15 billion. I mean, we saw what cryptocurrencies did in the last bull market. We saw Doge, we saw Shiba Inu, we saw all these coins, or a lot of coins I should say, that have little to no value go to 15, 20, $30 billion market cap, which is beyond insane. So yes, at the end of the day, Doge, yes, it is a community token. Yes, it's good. But guys, you need to understand, Doge was a meme. It was a meme to make fun of Bitcoin. So it's really crazy how, you know, Doge is like literally in the top 20, top 10. It blows my mind sometimes, but it is what it is. Right now, Doge is currently sitting at $11 billion. I don't doubt one bit, you know, that Gala could be in the top 10 or even top 20 in the near future. So we're really going to have to see. I can't wait what the future holds for Gala Games. I think it's going to be big. I'm going to be stacking up on that cryptocurrency. I mean, $300 million to 15 billion is very doable, and it is not a lot of money in my opinion. Yes, it might seem like a lot right now because we're in a bear market. Things are slower, things are more annoying. But guys, Gala Games is a steal, sitting right now at $350 million. I don't know how many times I'm going to say it. It is an absolute steal, and I can't wait what the future holds. So that is my quick video, guys, on Gala Games. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.